أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Exalted is He who holds all control in His hands, who has power over all things.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
Who created death and life to test you people and reveal which of you does best. He is the mighty, the forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
Who created the 7 heavens, one above the other. You will not see any flaw in what the Lord of mercy creates. Look again. Can you see any flaw?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Look again and again. Your sight will turn back to you, weak and defeated.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
We have adorned the lowest heaven with lamps and made them missiles for stoning devils, for whom we have also prepared the torment of a blazing fire.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
For those who defy their Lord, we have prepared the torment of hell, an evil destination.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
They will hear it drawing in its breath when they are thrown in. It blazes forth.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
Almost bursting with rage, its keepers will ask every group that is thrown in, "Did no one come to warn you?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will reply, "Yes, a warner did come to us, but we did not believe him. We said, God has revealed nothing. You are greatly misguided."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
They will say, "If only we had listened or reasoned, we would not be with the inhabitants of the blazing fire." And
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
they will confess their sins. Away with the inhabitants of the blazing fire.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
But there is forgiveness and a great reward for those who fear their Lord, though they cannot see Him.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Whether you keep your words a secret or state them openly, He knows the contents of every heart.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
How could He who created not know His own creation, when He is the most subtle, the all-aware?
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is He who had made the earth manageable for you. Travel its regions, eat His provision, and to Him you will be resurrected.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Are you sure that He who is in heaven will not make the earth swallow you up with a violent shudder?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Are you sure that He who is in heaven will not send a whirlwind to pelt you with stones? You will come to know what my warning means.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
Those who went before them also disbelieved. How terrible was my condemnation.
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Do they not see the birds above them, spreading and closing their wings? It is only the Lord of mercy who holds them up. He watches over everything.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي هُوَ جُندٌ لَكُمْ يَنصُرُكُم مِّن دُونِ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنِ الْكَافِرُونَ إِلَّا فِي غُرُورٍ.
What force can help you if the Lord of mercy does not? The disbelievers are truly deluded.
أَمَّنْ هَذَا الَّذِي يَرْزُقُكُمْ إِنْ أَمْسَكَ رِزْقَهُ بَل لَّجُّوا فِي عُتُوٍّ وَنُفُورٍ.
Who can provide for you if he withholds his provision? Yet they persist in their insolence and their avoidance of the truth.
أَفَمَن يَمْشِي مُكِبًّا عَلَى وَجْهِهِ أَهْدَىٰ أَمَّن يَمْشِي سَوِيًّا عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُّسْتَقِيمٍ.
Who is better guided, someone who falls on his face or someone who walks steadily on a straight path?
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي أَنشَأَكُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ.
Say, O Prophet, it is He who brought you into being, He who endowed you with hearing, sight, and understanding. What small thanks you give.
قُلْ هُوَ الَّذِي ذَرَأَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
Say, it is He who scattered you throughout the earth, He to whom you will be gathered.
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَىٰ هَٰذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
They say, if what you say is true, when will this promise be fulfilled?
قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْعِلْمُ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَإِنَّمَا أَنَا نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Say, God alone has knowledge of this. My only duty is to give clear warning.
فَلَمَّا رَأَوْهُ زُلْفَةً سِيئَتْ وُجُوهُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَقِيلَ هَٰذَا الَّذِي كُنتُم بِهِ تَدَّعُونَ.
When they see it close at hand, the disbelievers' faces will be gloomy, and it will be said, this is what you were calling for.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَهْلَكَنِيَ اللَّهُ وَمَن مَّعِيَ أَوْ رَحِمَنَا فَمَن يُجِيرُ الْكَافِرِينَ مِنْ عَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
Say, just think, regardless of whether God destroys me and my followers or has mercy on us, who will protect the disbelievers from an agonizing torment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the Lord of mercy. We believe in Him. We put our trust in Him. You will come to know in time who is an obvious error.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, just think, if all your water were to sink deep into the earth, who could give you flowing water in its place?